Empire here. Today we've got a sous vide burger that we're going to deep fry. First take it out, dry it off, toast your buns, throw on some mayo, and then a little bit of pickles, some pepper, a little bit of salt, some greens, a little pepper jack cheese, onions, tomato, jalapenos. Yum. Gonna deep fry that burger. Got some sweet potato fries that we're going to double fry. First we're going to fry them at a lower temperature, and then we're going to turn it up all the way, get them nice and crispy. So here's the lower temperature. The burger's a little overcooked, unfortunately, but still tasty. Your standard condiments, ketchup and mustard. Take out those fries. I'm going to let the thing heat up to the high temperature there. And those fries are done. Looks good for me. Had the burger keeping warm under aluminum foil, but a little sriracha, ketchup. Take a bite, delish. That's it.